Okay, class, now I'm going to show you how to focus a slide under the microscope. Okay, so before you put the slide on the stage, you make sure your stage is all the way down. So this is the coarse adjustment knob, you already know that. So using that you will move the stage all the way down, so you'll have more space here between the lens and the stage, so you can easily put your hand inside. Okay, so now you get the slide and put the slide on the stage and use the clip to secure it on the stage, and then you turn the switch on to turn the microscope on. So now the microscope is on, and by using these two knobs you make sure that your tissue on the slide is in the center of the light. Okay, so after you do that, the next is you make sure the light adjustment is correct. So you need to make sure that there is enough light coming from the lamp or source of light in the bottom. And first you will focus under the lens 4, the shortest lens, which is the smallest magnification. In this microscope, the color, there is a red mark on it, so that is the shortest lens. So you see you have a lot of space here between the slide and the lens because the lens is short. Now you will look through the lenses, and then you will move the stage up using the coarse adjustment knob. So you move it up and keep moving, and when you see something, now I can see something, through my lenses, so I will stop there. Okay, and then what you will do, you will switch to magnification 10, and then you now use only the fine adjustment knob. Don't use the coarse adjustment knob anymore. Okay, fine adjustment is just to make the fine adjustment of the focus. Okay, so you can move the fine adjustment knob in both ways, forward and backward, and see which way it makes the focus more clear. Okay, and when you see the tissue clearly, then you can switch to 40, lens 40. Okay, and again you can use the fine adjustment knob to make sure that it is clearly visible, the focus is very clear. So you only use the coarse adjustment knob when your slide is under lens 4, the smallest magnification, shortest lens. Okay, then you will only use the fine adjustment. Okay, so that's how you focus the slide under the microscope. We won't use the highest magnification, which is 100, because to use that you need to use the oil. And for dry histology or tissue, 40 magnification is good enough to see the cells and the structures in the tissue. Okay. Now I will move the stage again all the way down. So when you are done, you will move the stage all the way down using the coarse adjustment knob, and then make sure you move the shortest lens towards the stage. So this is the shortest lens, and then you have more space here, right? Now you have more space, so you take the slide out from the stage, okay, and turn the switch off, power switch off, okay. And then, as I mentioned before, that you need to make sure that you take the power cord off and fold it, wrap it, okay. And the last thing what you will do is you will double check that your shortest lens is facing towards the stage and the stage is all the way down, okay. Make sure those two things are in right place, and then you will hold the arm here with one hand, and another hand will go to the bottom and will put it back to the shelf, okay. So that's how we use the compound microscope.